absolute genius little bit of business. We got 10 spreads on it. The trade, the RBOB spread went into profit and the oil spread was in profit. I've turned the oil spread into an outright. I've closed the crack spread off at a scratch. So I made nothing on the crack spread, nothing on the RBOB. And this is what happened to the oil since then. I was able to then turn that crack spread into an outright profit of $2,000, $2,300 on a 10 lot, guys, on a 10 lot. That's the value of trading spreads right there. You might have heard that I shouted that trade live in the room if you wanted it. I'm sure you did. I'm sure you all piled in some way, shape, or form into that bit of business. And we absolutely killed it. Absolutely killed it. And it's always good when we can get that crack spread back into a single outcome again, isn't it? When we get a crack spread into a single outcome, you can make a lot of money because you've obviously been able to take away the initial risk. And that's why you can get some bigger size. But then you obviously can then just turn it into an outright play. And somebody's refreshed behind 71.05 there, guys. Somebody's came in refreshed behind 71.05 for that drive higher. What a wonderful trade. We're now up $3,200 on a 10, guys. And that came from a spread trade. Now that's what you call a refreshed order book. So do you see that refreshed order book coming in, guys? You see it? So we were in the long trade, obviously, from the crack spread. You can see here that we got the refreshed order book coming in behind that jam just there at 71.05s. So with the refreshed orders coming in behind there, it was very easy to put the stops behind that refreshed order book because obviously if it catches the break from that, then it's obviously game, set, and match on this bit of business. But obviously the takeaway from that is, of course, the buyers came in, drove up to the next liquidity, which is now 71.25. It's now working hard to get through 71.25. We're up about $4,000 on that 10 lot now, guys, about $4,000 on that 10 lot, and it started out as a spread trade. Unbelievable, isn't it? Unbelievable. Crazy like a Sunday morning. We got a strong volt into a higher price there for some selling pressure coming back in. 41.36 if you like it, considering we were buy side at 41.23. I think that's quite a wonderful trade. 13 points of buy side profits. Love it. Love it a lot. And we know that the market as a rule has this New York reversal from 3 o'clock onwards, right? So we can see from 3 o'clock onwards, this New York reversal came in, got a nice little buy side reversal. It is what it is. I mean, it's just the way it always seems to be. It's the way it always has been. It's the kind of narrative that we always see developing, don't we? So that New York reversal, relatively straightforward, easy to recognize, and all you got to do is pick up on the story as it evolves.